Foshan Hongyi Electromechanical Equipment Company Limited, located in number 2108, Building 3, Merchant Property, Guichun Street, Nanhai District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China. Our cooperative factory, Foshan Nanhai Hoyun Ceramic Machinery Company Limited, covering an area of 3,000 square meters. Hoyun is a professional supplier of sintered stone, porcelain, and ceramic tile deep processing equipment, manufacturing in ceramic, porcelain tile cutting machine, 45-degree chamfering machine, arc polishing machine, CNC cutting machine, automatic cutting machine, CNC manual cutting machine, and multifunctional cutting machine, stone machine, mosaic machinery, water jet cutting system machine, and so on, won the title of Advanced Sales Unit in the industry for many years. The company's products are spread all over the country, and the product quality is widely recognized. Our products have obtained the CE certificate and FCC certificate. Hoyun has 14 years of experience in the production of ceramic tile processing equipment. Now we have owned our high-quality R&D team, a large number of skilled workers, and a mature after-sales service team. Our equipment can be used to process ceramic, porcelain tile dining tables, round tables, bathroom basins, cabinets, coffee tables, floor tiles, stair tiles, TV background walls, and other products. It is suitable for ceramic tile processing plants, stone processing plants, decoration companies, construction sites, ceramic workshop, and real estate projects, and so on. We provide you with the most professional processing solutions.